Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Calculus problems like this are fast once you see the trick. We will find the derivative of this integral function right now. First, apply the fundamental theorem of calculus. This tells us the derivative of the integral of f is the function f itself, so g prime equals f. Next, we look at the graph of g to find its slope. Since g is a straight line pointing downwards, its slope is constant and negative. That is our key for f. Since the derivative is a constant negative value, the graph of f is a horizontal line below the x-axis. Option A is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn better with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given information. Great job!